In the vast expanse of existence, there are souls woven into the fabric of the cosmos in a unique dance with destiny. This narrative is not a mere exploration, it's an odyssey through the realms of emotion, spirit, morality, sentimentality, professionalism, the paranormal, astrology, magic, soulfulness, and energy. This is a tale for you, the chosen one, marked by signs and synchronicities that transcend the ordinary, a journey both deeply personal and cosmically profound. Your journey begins with an awakening, a stirring deep within that transcends the mundane. It's an emotional resonance, like a cosmic symphony playing the chords of your soul. In the stillness of the night, you find yourself drawn to the cosmic tapestry, tears flowing as you contemplate your place in the vastness of the universe. This emotional awakening is the call from the cosmos itself, inviting you to a journey beyond the visible horizon. The cosmic stage is set with your astrological blueprint. Imagine a celestial map, planets aligning in a dance of destiny. Your birth chart is not just an arrangement of stars, it's a cosmic manuscript, a guide to the unfolding chapters of your life. A chosen one is often born under alignments that astrologers interpret as signs of a destined journey. Planets whispering secrets, constellations telling tales, your story inscribed in the very fabric of the cosmos. The chosen one walks a path paved with synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that transcend the laws of chance. It's as if the universe speaks to you through the language of everyday occurrences. Consider the repeated appearance of a number, a cosmic code. 333, perhaps. In moments of decision or reflection, it emerges, a cosmic signpost affirming that your journey aligns with the cosmic flow. On this cosmic journey, mentors appear, guides who straddle the line between the earthly and the divine. Picture an old bookstore, a wise sage disguised as a bookseller. Over time, this mentor becomes a confidant, unraveling the mysteries of your cosmic journey. Their insights resonate not just with wisdom but with a cosmic knowing, as if they've glimpsed the pages of the cosmic script written just for you. The chosen one treads the fine line between realms. Dreams become doorways, apparitions are companions, and intuitive insights transcend the ordinary. In dreams, departed loved ones communicate, offering solace and reaffirming the existence of a spiritual dimension. It's a paranormal dance where the cosmic and the earthly merge. Reality, for the chosen one, is not a fixed construct but a canvas for cosmic alchemy. Laws of physics bow to the magic woven into your existence. In deep meditation, imagine witnessing objects levitating or feeling an inexplicable connection to nature. These magical moments affirm that your journey is not bound by the ordinary. Your journey is a moral odyssey, a curriculum designed by the cosmos to test your character and deepen your wisdom. At a crossroads, imagine facing a dilemma that probes the depths of your integrity. The choices you make resonate not only on the earthly plane but echo in the cosmic realms, a cosmic classroom where morals are not just learned but lived. The chosen one's professional path is interwoven with cosmic purpose. Careers become callings, and ambitions are transformed into instruments for cosmic change. Imagine a transition, a shift from a conventional job to a profession rooted in a profound sense of moral duty and spiritual purpose. Your work becomes not just a means of livelihood but a cosmic contribution. In moments of reflection, you find cosmic insights. An old photograph, a childhood memory, these become portals to a deeper understanding of your cosmic journey. Rediscover a journal from your youth, see how even then, you were grappling with cosmic questions and experiencing synchronicities. Sentimentality becomes a bridge between the past and the cosmic present. Your connection to the universe is energetic, an undeniable vibration that draws people and opportunities into your orbit. In moments of deep meditation, envision a surge of cosmic energy coursing through your body. This energy becomes the driving force, infusing you with purpose and clarity for significant life changes. In the chosen one's life, the cosmic divine is not an abstract concept but a lived experience. Your journey is a testament to the profound interplay between the earthly and the cosmic, a symphony where emotions, spirituality, morals, sentimentality, professionalism, the paranormal, astrology, magic, soulfulness, and energy harmonize. Remember, it's not just a narrative, it's a reflection of the cosmic dance you're a part of. Each word, a note in the grand symphony of your existence. Embrace the cosmic divine, for you are the chosen one, and your journey is a cosmic poem written across the stars. Thank you for joining us on this incredible cosmic journey. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the chosen one's path and the signs of the cosmic divine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, may the universe's wonders continue to amaze and guide you on your own cosmic journey.